This is Dr. David Schein, and welcome to Business Law 101. Now, one of the more interesting things are personal property leases. In fact, they're very, very important. So normally we look at Article 2 of the Uniform Commercial Code, sales. However, we have a special article called Article 2A of the UCC that deals with sale leases. And so one of the things that you realize in business, if you lease a piece of equipment and you pay a doctor for that, what's going to happen is that in the particular circumstances that happen, that lease is going to be honored for that particular product, and it's going to be controlled by 2A. It was interesting because I was working out this morning and I was watching the news, and they actually had a news segment at an auto dealership whether you should buy or lease a car. So if you go to the auto dealership and you buy a car, that's going to be under Article 2. You lease the car, that's going to be under Article 2A. And so one of the issues is the responsibility for the item. One of the things that I ran into when I was leasing equipment, I don't lease equipment anymore, was that the financing company didn't want the item back after it had run its course. And so somebody wanted to stick me with an old copier after we had used it and it was used up and broken and the lease ran out. And they wanted me to ship it to California to force me to buy it. But fortunately, I had negotiated with my local vendor that they had to make sure that it was taken away at the end of the lease and I didn't pay a penalty. So I had it written into my lease. But in other circumstances, I might have been forced to buy the dead machine and then have to find a way to get rid of it. So one of the things that happens, of course, is a lot of businesses intend to buy an item, but to keep it in a different place on their balance sheets, they do a lease purchase of it instead of just buying it and having the whole debt on their balance sheet. So it's oftentimes an accounting manipulation.